নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, 78th এপিসোড নিয়ে আমি এলাম। কিছু শাড়ি দেখিয়ে ফেলি, কিছু চান্দেরি, কিছু মাহেশ্বরী, আপনাদের ডিমান্ডের কিছু গুজরাতি স্টিচেস যেগুলো আমরা করেছি সেগুলো নিয়ে এসেছি। একটু দেখুন, 1 নম্বর শাড়ি দেখুন, নাম্বার 1। দিজ আর ফেমাস চান্দেরি শাড়ি, যার জন্য ডিমান্ড। এগুলো ফ্রেশ হয়ে এসেছে, ভেরি বিউটিফুল কালার, খুব কমফোর্টেবল, পরে আরাম, ফাইন জারি বর্ডার, সিম্পল ওয়ান্স, একদম বডি হাগিং, আরাম লাগবে পরে। সামারি শাড়ি, ব্রিজি, টিপিক্যাল সেই সিনথেটিক চান্দেরির মতন এফেক্ট একেবারেই নয়। দিস ইজ ফর 2800 and with this kind of BP. Lovely piece. ফটাফট শেয়ার করুন, পিক আপ করুন, ডিসঅ্যাপয়েন্ট হবেন। স্পেশালি চান্দেরিজ গুলো ফটাফট চলে যায়, বি কেয়ারফুল। নাম্বার টু, রেড চেয়েছিলেন কে দেখতে, I will not name her, but she was asking for the red one, specially তার জন্য এসেছে। Number 2, which is for 2800 again, with this fine zari border all throughout. Look at this saree, with the red blouse. You can mix match. আজকাল তো ফ্যাশন সেজ ইউ ক্যান মিক্স ম্যাচ, আর ভালো লাগে পরলে, খুবই স্মার্ট লাগে মিক্স ম্যাচ করে পরা। All 2800. Oh, this design has come again, the butterfly one. যাদের পছন্দ ছিল, whosoever wanted, they could pick up. অনেকে বলছে they have learned Bengali. When I speak in Bengali, they can follow now. I was so happy. Number 3, saree number 3. This is with the chauda border. This is with the broad border, zari border. But this is the butterfly one, which is always in demand. This batik, hand batik, 2900. The blouse section, 2900 for this chanderi. All the chanderis are beautifully done. কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, যে কোনোটা নিয়ে নিন, ভীষণ সুন্দর সুন্দর চাঁদেরি। Look at this gorgeous orange. Oh, you know, regular usage chanderi is very comfortable. They are porous and very nice all throughout. This is with the narrow zari one, so this is 2800. Oh, lovely. এটা আরো সুন্দর দেখুন, একটা সুন্দরের পর সুন্দর দেখাচ্ছি। Look at this. Look at the styling. It will go around your full body. Look at this. This is with the zari border, broad zari border, so it costs 2900. I will stretch the saree, please. 2900. Turn to this side. Okay. Maheshwaris of Greenhouse. Greenhouse এর Maheshwari দেখুন, all kashish print. Oh, the color. It will go for the color. Gicha temple border. 3800 dear for my Maheshwari. The cloth is so good, the texture is so nice. পরেও খুব আরাম। 3,800 for this piece. 3,800 for this Maheshwari. Oh, goodness. Yeah, this is a gorgeous one with zari border. Whosoever wanted, looking for red ones, red is again here. They're all with vegetable colors, all organic. The prints, they're showing the prints properly. The blouse section, and this is the zari part, zari bordered. It a blouse piece. This is the blouse section. The sari costs 3,800 dear for all my Maheshwaris. But this Maheshwari is woven, and this is the superior lot. They've used lot of colors, lot of process behind. 7 steps in doing this Maheshwari. This is the green one, which costs 5,800. 5,800 for this Maheshwari. Look at the achal. And this is the blouse section. This costs 5,800. It is a beautiful one. 8A. This is 8A. 8A. The clamp dyeing. The clamp dyeing Maheshwari. Achal. And the daman. Look at this. The down below. There's all clamp dyeing. Marvelous piece. And this is the blouse part. Product number 8A is going for 6,200. This is difficult dyeing, clamp dyeing. This is 6,200. Yeah, we have got the same 3,800 Maheshwaris. Number 9, onion pink, lovely birds. All Kashish prints, they're so typical. With zari border, this goes for 3,800 dear, with polka dot blouse. 3,800 for this. Number 10. Such a lovely piece. I feel like wearing this. Look at this. 3,800 only for this Maheshwari. The texture has a weave inside. Look at the weave. देखो এখানে একটা weave আছে. There's a weave inside the Kashish print. This is for 3,800 and the blouse section. देखो 3,800 please for this piece. And this is the superior one, 5,800. 5,800 wala Maheshwari. Maheshwaris. This is Azrak print on Maheshwari. Azrak print on Maheshwari is going for 5,800. Best of texture. You will be very comfortable with this texture. Show them the body part of it. Why are you, take it to that side. Hold it tight. Number 12. This is Malka. Malka from Bhuj. Malka from Bhuj, and this is border line is like this, all weaving. This is one of the best quality Azrak, best quality Malka. Azrak on Malka is going for 4,800, please. 4,800 for this Malka with the blouse section like this. 4,800 for this Malka. There's again one more Malka. The green, the print, very typical print, the green one. Look at the clamp dyed achal. This is the clamp dyed achal. And all throughout the print is like this. Number 13, this is the Malka, woven border, 4,800, please. 4,800. And these are my cottons. Azrak cottons, which are going for 2880. No, this is not 2850. 2850 for the superfine quality of Mal Azrak. 2850. And a very stylish achal. Number 14 is going for 2850 with this kind of blouse piece. Lovely one. Number 14, 2850. This is again for 2850. Number 15, the indigo one. All block print, Azrak ones, not block. Azrak block prints. Look at this. Achal, they're done with organic colors, lasting colors. Achal is so superb. Gorgeous achal. Number 15. Number 15, it has a blouse section like this. They are with pom-poms. If you are fond of pom-poms, you can use them. Otherwise, you can just open out. 2850. And this is a premium quality mal, which I got little expensive. This is going for 3,600. 3,600 for this piece. Look at the achal. Number 16 goes for 3,600. One more mal cotton, Azrak mal cotton. 17 নম্বর শাড়ি দেখাচ্ছি। দেখুন এগুলো মাল কটন গুলো, প্রেফার্ড কালার্স, ইউ ওয়ান্টেড অল দিস কালার্স। এই কালার গুলো আনালাম, 1850 দাম। বিউটিফুল ডিজাইন, spread out palla, and the arch and the blouse section, a very smart ones. প্রতিটি শাড়ি খুব সুন্দর ওদের হয়। Oh, this is a different texture. This is handloom tussar khadi. They've created this handloom tussar khadi. On loom they have created this. This Manipuri style. Handloom tussar khadi, which is going for 4800 please. 4800 for this. Amazing. This is mustard and that is black, royal blue. No, that is navy blue, ink blue. Navy blue. Amazing, amazing combination. কত দাম? 4800 please. Similar type in grey. This is a woven material. Manipuri design. Again 4800 for these pieces. 4800 for number 19. Look at the designing. And this is on pure Gachi Tasar. Number 20. Look at the workmanship with the mirror work, motifs inside. Number 20, and there's a shaded border. Turn to that side. Yeah. And the quality of the tussar, this is Gachi by Gachi tussar. This costs 10,600 with this kind of BP. 10,600 with this kind of BP. And the grey Bangalore silk, which is royal. Oh, lovely. Look at the palla part. This is the achal. Good quality Bangalore silk. All throughout. The sari goes like this. $6,800 for this. And we have a blouse piece along with this. This is on patola, Gujarati stitches দেয়া হয়েছে এখানে। Look at this, fantastic little off the track. Number 22, which is for 8,700 please. 8,000, very good silk. 8,700. Look at the fineness of the stitches. 8,700. The achal is also graceful. And this is the blouse piece. Number 23. They look so gorgeous. Gujarati stitches এত gorgeous লাগে. It's in fashion now. যত গুজরাটি আসবে তত demand. Look at this. How beautiful. এটার দাম হচ্ছে 10,600. Very high quality Bangalore silk. এগুলো কিন্তু পাতলা নয়, not very fine. Very good quality Bangalore silk. This is 10,600. Look at the density of the work. Look at this. Show me the down nature. This portion. 10,600. This is on tussar. This is on Bhagalpur tussar. The fineness of the work. Hold it. $10,600. 10,600 for this piece. $10,600 for this beautiful piece. Let me show the full sari. They're all hand stitched ones. Very beautiful. Backside also, look at this. 10,600 for this piece. No, this is 8,000 something. No, this is 8,600, please. Number 24 is for 8,600. There's one more Gujarati. Number 25. Number 25. This is without mirror. No, this is with mirror. Okay, this is with mirror. Look at the density of the work. This is on Gachi tussar. প্রচুর কাজ হয়েছে শাড়িটা দেখুন আপনি। This is on Gachi tussar. This is going for 11,000. That's the blouse section. Number 26, we have the Kashmiri one. Kashmiri stitches. এগুলো আমাদের এখানে বেঙ্গলেই করেছে। Look at the workmanship. কাজ দেখুন, নিখুঁত কাজ করেছে। The dyed tussar, Gachi tussar. Very beautifully done up. 11,000, please. This Kashmiri work. 11,000 with this BP. Oh, this is my last piece, but the best of the lot. এগুলো আমাদের এখানে ওদের 20 বছর থেকে সেম ডিজাইন আমরা ক্রিয়েট করছি and still in demand. Still I am proud of that. যত করি ততই আমাদের এটার ডিমান্ড আছে। 27 নম্বর শাড়ি উই আর গিভিং ফর 10,400 প্লিজ। প্রচুর পুরাতন ডিজাইন, এখনো ইন ডিমান্ড। একটা শাড়ি হয়ে আসলে সেইটাই চাই। Look at this, such a gorgeous piece, all on Kosha Tashor. That's all for today, dear. Oh, there's a blouse section. সব দেখিয়ে দিলাম, কাজটা আর একটু দেখাও। এটা such a beautiful piece. 10,600. 10,000, how much? 400. And there's a blouse with this. You could use a red some texture with this blouse also. Thank you, dear. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.